Meaning of dominance.
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 Dominance. Dominance refers to the power or control that one person, group, or thing has over others. It generally implies a situation in which one entity is stronger or more influential than the others, and can assert its will or goals over them. Dominance can take many forms, including physical strength, economic leverage, social status, or political authority. The result of dominance often leads to an unequal distribution of resources, opportunities, or privileges, with the dominant party benefiting at the expense of the disadvantaged ones.